What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. What's going on? Make sure to like the live as y'all hop up in here, y'all. Make sure to like the live as y'all hop up in here. Just setting some alerts up right now. Man, I thought I paid for this. Let me go on my phone and pay for this. I thought I paid for this shit already. I paid for the wrong one. I literally gave y'all folks my money yesterday. Let me see something. Manage subscription. Yeah, I just paid for that. Maybe I gotta refresh my computer. I'll worry about that after the live stream. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know if y'all can hear me good. Let me know if y'all can hear me good. We got a couple setups we're looking at. If y'all was in the live stream yesterday, you could have caught the nice GU setup with us. Or if you was in the live stream with us earlier this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you could have caught that gold setup with us as well. Because we're looking at this possible GJ sell, right? Because again, GJ's been kind of consolidating, chilling right here. You see a possible reversal come into play right here. So we're going to be seeing if we can catch some sales going down to 196.30. If GJ can hold 197.25 as resistance, we can look for sales going down to 196.30, 196.25. And then if the down reversal continues, we can see sales going down as low as 195.25. So that's what we're going to be looking at right here. We got an alert on GU. We're just waiting for the price to break that level. Same thing with gold. Let's take a look at GN really quick. And y'all already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. GS still in the same boat it's been in all week. EN still not looking attractive either. So yeah, we're just gonna stick to these three pairs right here. I don't really like how everything else is looking. Just wanted to double check. So we're just gonna pay attention to gold, GU, and GJ today. This would have been a nice sell to go for the same move as yesterday, but you see, you started this move right before we went live in this session. So again, we did trade, so we're either going to wait for price to retrace back up to here, or we want to see if we can break and hold 2640 as a resistance, and then look for continued sales going to 2600. All right, that's what we're going to be looking for right here. Our new 15 just popped up. So let's see how GJ reacts right here. Got a new video dropping for y'all today as well, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. Those just join the stream. We are not into this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free Signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we can need charts, drop them in the chat. Right now, we're about to look for this retest to see if GJ can hold this level as resistance. We call 197.25 as a resistance. We can look for sales going down to 196.25. That's what we're looking at right here. We got a couple news in this today, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so GP news just popped off. And then at 8:30, we got USD news. Going to be going live with the members during the 8:30 USD news. Members, be on the lookout for that link. We're about to see what this next 5 minute looks like. Peace, fam. Peace. What's going on, Jay? What's going on? Nice setup in gold shorts now. That's what's up. That's what's up. You might have got in. What you got in around what? What price you got in that? Right. Because I'm waiting a little bit longer. We caught this nice sell Tuesday, Wednesday. Nice 1-to-5 short ratio. And right now I'm going to be looking for continued sells as well. I'm just looking specifically for me, either for price to break and hold 25.50 as resistance. If it could, then we can look for sales going to 25.25. Or if it retraces and retest 25.82 as resistance, then we can look for sales going back down. So that's why I'm looking for sales at right now. Again, it has been dumping literally all week. Right. And if you check the Sunday chart analysis, I literally was talking about this as well as a few other charts. They've been going as projected. So even though it is Friday, still check out the Sunday chart analysis just to see what price was looking like Sunday night, see what my analysis was, and then compare it to what price is looking like right now. Obviously, Friday still has to play out, but still go ahead and make sure to check that out, y'all. And while you're in there, you can go ahead and see how we're doing so far this week. Monday, we hit TB7 on gold. Tuesday, what was this Tuesday? I'm terrible with dates. No, the 14th was. I'm terrible with dates, y'all. Y'all been following for a while. I'm terrible with dates. What was Tuesday? Tuesday, we just held gold. Oh, I didn't post. Okay. So then we caught this gold trade. All teams got hit, got 6,600 pips. And the GU setup got 45 pips. This was this gold setup right here. Held this for a couple days. Then this was the GU setup right here. Nice 1-to-2 short ratio. Again, we called this gold trade TP7 on Tuesday. And that got wicked out, and then the next day I re-entered, and that's when the volume kicked in and then surpassed all the TPs. Then continue to hold that for Wednesday going into Thursday, because as you can see, from Wednesday going into Thursday, you can see price just kept on consistently breaking levels, didn't do any harsh rejections. So again, there was no reason to pull out the trade. Now, obviously, I got wicked out because price not only broke past this level, but retraced like halfway from where it was initially at. So I'm not in this trade anymore. So again, I'm waiting for price to either break this low or retest and hold this low as resistance. Okay, GJ looks like it's trying to break through. I kind of like how this is looking. I don't like how this is looking. I like how GU and gold's looking too, but they got a little bit of work to do. I like how this is looking right. Waiting for it to hit a certain price. I'm pull a trigger on it. Now, just like gold, GU's been dumping all week as well. So today could end up being a retracement day. So keep that in mind also. What else we got up in here? Where to enter now? So what I want you to do is rewind and listen to the words I said. And I'm not saying that to be a dick. I'm being serious, right? Because the words are very important that I choose to use, right? So again, what we're looking for during these live streams, what you look for when you're looking for setup, is you want to not just wait for price to break a level, but you want to wait for those confirmations. So again, like I was saying, like with gold, for example, it's not just simply a price to break this level, it's if it can break and hold the level as resistance, right? Just like if I'm looking for buys, it's not simply just waiting for price to break a level. I'm waiting to see if it can break and hold as support. You get what I'm saying? Hold as support, hold as support, hold as support, right? So, and I'm not sure what pair you're talking about either. So, because I talked about like 3 different charts, I'm not exactly sure what pair you're talking about. But again, it's not just simply when price breaks the level, just pull the trigger. You still want to wait for those confirmations, because just because price touches a level does not mean that's ready to hold that level or makes that next move to the upside or the downside. You get what I'm saying? If you don't understand how support and resistance works, make sure to check out my day trading tips playlist. I'm also going to drop this video in the chat right here. Okay. All right, let me cut it to these chats. What else we got up here? What else we got up here? You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. Want to look at me chat? Drop them in the chat. 2665. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, so you got it at this dip right here. Okay, okay. I'm gonna start streaming with you. You're rather doing yours every day, bro. Are you from? Did you mean to say UK? No. If that's what you meant to say, I'm not from the UK. I'm in America. I'm from America. I just like to trade London session. Because for a few reasons, right? Like when I first started trading, people that listen or follow me for a while, you already know the story. I used to work 2 jobs, 16-hour, 14-hour days, only had 1 full day off, 2 half days off. And so I didn't really have a lot of time to be on the charts, right? Because I was working all quote unquote New York session. And then I'd work like Tokyo session as well. So London session was the only time I would be able to actually look at setups and take trades. So when I was working, I used to wake up at 3 a.m., be up for a couple hours, look for some setups, enter trades, take a quick nap, then wake up, shower, get ready for work, drive to work, and then I'd be in those trades throughout the day. And then of course, I'd adjust or secure profits as time went on my phone. That's what first got me into London session. But then as I started to trade London session, I started noticing a few other things as well, right? When you start to trade London session, or even sometimes during Tokyo session, because we trade all 3 sessions, so I can show that in a little bit as well. But when you start trading in sessions earlier than New York session, especially when there's volume, you'll be able to catch a lot bigger of a move and also catch the whole move. You get what I'm saying? I kind of like how this is looking here. I want to see what this next 15 looks like, though. Do like how this is looking, though. Still kind of chilling right here. Got about a minute and some change to the next 15 or 5 minute pops up. Make sure I like the live stream, y'all. I got a new video dropping for y'all later on today, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. If you haven't checked out this week's Bitcoin analysis, make sure to check that out as well. Bitcoin broke 91, 92K earlier this week. So again, we've been talking about Bitcoin since Q2, Q3. So if you go to my crypto playlist, you can see that. And we was talking about literally going for setups all the way back when price was at 55,000. So what I want you to do is go on Google and imagine if you would have just put $100 in back when Bitcoin was at $55,000, and Google how much you would be up right now. Right? It's just no joke. It's just no joke. But even if you're late to the party, it's still not too late. So make sure to check out the crypto analysis. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens at the end of this month, end of the year, because I can see Bitcoin hitting 100,000, 120,000 if this uptrend or if this higher high continues to push going to the upside. But that's a whole nother conversation. The topic. I like how this is looking here. I want to see how this closes. All right, new 15 just popped up. So let's see what it does from this point. Because it did do a retest. I want to see if it could break through that level of traffic or not. Oh, you're talking about Brooklyn. No. I ain't Brooklyn. No. I got a couple family members in New York though. No, I got family in the East Coast all over. Up top where it's cold, north side, like New York, Jersey, Rhode Island area. And also people in the South EST coast. Well, I'm on the West Coast right now. But because I be traveling a lot, just to make my life simpler, I just keep all the times at EST. But I haven't been on the EST side in a little bit. Let's put this back on gold. Yeah, I like how this is looking. Yeah, GJ has been struggling to continue his bullish momentum, and the way it's looking right now, I might try to reverse. So yeah, I'm liking how this is looking right here. So we're gonna see what this does right here. Again, I'm not too scared to take this trade. One, because of what price has been doing all this week, and also the drop it did before London session. But two, I'm up this week, right? I'm up this week. So even if the worst case scenario is to happen with this setup, it's not going to hurt my profits from this week or the month, right? Speaking of profits from this week and the month, you hit that first link in the description. Again, we're 3-0 so far this week. We're on a big win streak as well. Like we won like 12 plus trades in a row so far. Last week we went 4-0, give us 100% win rate. The week before that we went 4-0 as well, give us another 100% win rate. And then how we wrapped up October, if you scroll to November 1st, you can see that for yourself. Scroll. Boom. We went 15-1 last month, giving us a 94% win rate, catching a total of 14,935 pips. So again, last month we only took one loss. So we absolutely dominated October. and the start of quarter 4. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. All wins and losses are posted. We do the recap of the day end of every day, recap of the week at the end of every week, as well as the recap of the month and quarter at the end of every month and quarter. You scroll to October 4th, you'll see how we ended quarter 3. July, we went 16-5, catching 1,442 pips. August, 13-1, catching 27,727. September went 14-2, catching 35,486 pips. Ended the quarter 43-8, giving us an 84% win rate all 3 months combined, catching a total of 64,655 pips. So again, you can see we average a high 80, high 90% win rate, not just on a weekly or monthly basis, but as well as a quarterly basis. Again, you click right here. It'll take you to the beginning of that quarter. It'll also show you how we ended quarter 2. So again, quarter 2, April 16-4, May 15-4, June 13-3, 44-11 gives another 80% win rate, catch a total of 118,359 pips. So again, you see we've been absolutely killing it this entire year, right? You click where it says subscribers and go to photos. There's over 1,000 photos, too, going on 3 years worth of receipts, from screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, as well as student results and testimonials. So make sure to click all the stuff and check it out. I still got a few testimonials to post. I just don't really like to spam post them too much. But yeah, make sure to explore all this stuff, y'all. Make sure to explore all this stuff. Let's see what GJ does. Sorry, pushing. We're already in profit right now. Again, if it can hold 197.35, 197.30 as resistance, we can look for sales going to 196.30 and possibly down to 195.15. That's what we're looking at right now. New 5-minute just popped up. Still going to be paying attention to gold and GU for sure, but like I said, they've been dumping literally all week, so don't be too shocked or surprised if a retracement does come into play today, which is another reason why I'm taking a GJ setup as well. All right, let me catch up to this chat, see what else we got up in here. TP1 smash, no drawdown. Hey, that's what's up. That's the best type of trading right there. GJ shorts, yeah, GJ shorts. Win GJ shorts right now. Win GJ shorts. I think we just hit TP1. Yeah, we just hit TP1. So y'all should be nice and green or blue right now so far. We're just getting started though. DJ dropping right now. Make sure I like that live, y'all. Just hit the next TP. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scroll at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_wait, TikTok _playmaker_wait_. All right. I'll be posting short-term videos and daily and weekly tips on there as well. I'm also going to start talking more about crypto on there as well, as far as other coins to look at. Because again, I just do weekly analysis on Bitcoin, but just like I was talking to a student yesterday during one-on-one sessions, there's a lot more than just Bitcoin to invest in. You can make money on, right? So I'm gonna start talking about that a little bit more on Instagram and TikTok. And if I get a lot of people that actually want to learn more about that, then I might start making more learner form content on the YouTube channel talking about that stuff. Let's see, we're almost at this next TP we're about to hit. There we go, we just hit that. Nice. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. I'm looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. New 15 about to pop up in a little bit. GJ is still dumping, y'all. Still dumping. We just hit another TP. Let me go ahead and let the members know. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We'll get any charts, drop them in the chat. You're asking if gold and GJ run opposite. I wouldn't necessarily say that. They're just doing it at this moment. But I wouldn't say that they always run opposite. That's just something they're doing at this moment. All right. Again, y'all, we got news at 8:30. Gonna be going live with the members during that. So members be on the lookout for that link. And I got a new video dropping for you later on today as well. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. Now, again, there are a couple setups we are looking at. Obviously, we are in GJ. So we're gonna let GJ continue to do his thing. Then we can also see possible gold and GU sells. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my services, my mentorship program. Make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, again, you watch any of my YouTube videos besides the live streams, watch like the last 3 minutes to go over all the details. But if you guys got any other questions, y'all can contact me directly. I'll answer all questions. And yeah, enjoy y'all's weekend, y'all. We'll be back at it next week. London session 3 and EST.